The foundation of the AP operation is the integration of design engineering, manufacturing engineering, and machine and tooling expertise. New developments in rapid prototyping and the use of SolidWorks 3D computer-aided design systems that are integrated with CMM machines for precise dimensional measuring facilitate consistent accuracy between departments and expedite product development. These pre-manufacturing aspects of the business create a solid platform for developing and maintaining the highest level of customer service and satisfaction by improving time to market and the continuous release of new products. AP employs advanced automation, robotics and computer-controlled monitoring, and statistical process controls as part of its quality and production management systems. The manufacturing schedules are tied directly to sales. As inventory levels change, orders for those parts being sold are instantly sent to manufacturing for replenishment. Wireless computer networks and barcode tracking systems monitor every part as it moves through the manufacturing and assembly processes and into inventory.